Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Phones overheat when processors and batteries work hard in high ambient heat. Keep brightness at 50% or lower to reduce thermal load. Close all background apps and force stop heavy apps in settings to reduce CPU use. Disable Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi if not required to lower power draw. Remove protective case when heating to improve airflow and heat dissipation. If charging and phone gets hot, unplug immediately and let it cool for at least 10 minutes. Enable auto brightness to adapt screen output and reduce unnecessary power use throughout the day. Turn on battery saver when battery reaches 20% to limit background activity and CPU peaks. Disable background app refresh for social apps to stop frequent network and CPU use. Update system software and apps promptly to receive thermal and battery optimizations. Avoid gaming or video streaming for more than 30 minutes continuously to prevent sustained high temperatures. Use original chargers and avoid cheap fast chargers that can increase Move the phone to a shaded area with air at 18 to 22 degrees C to cool it safely. Place the device near a fan or air conditioner to accelerate heat loss without using liquids. Do not put the phone in a freezer or use compressed cold packs that create condensation and damage circuits. Restart the device to close runaway processes that can cause heating. Check the battery for swelling or temperatures above 45 degrees C and stop using the device immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.